So I think I have all the stuff needed to do your skincare routine today. Are you wearing any makeup right now, or? Yeah, I'll just use like a basic cleanser spray, so don't even worry about that. I'm gonna just put some cleaning spray on my hands before I go touching your face. How is your day going today? I know, I feel like it gets dark so fast outside, but hey, we'll spoil you right before sunset. You'll have nice, clean skin right before you go to bed. It'll be awesome. Yep, exactly. Let me just, if you won't mind, I'm just gonna brush your hair back a little bit. I am doing well. Thank you for asking. I feel like I've been making a lot of New Year changes, but that's good. It's awesome. I'd say the only thing I have left is like coming out with like a good time, or like coming up with a good time daily to like work on exercise and just walking on the treadmill, or just being a bit more like physically active as well. I think that would be great. I'm just gonna put this over your head. If you hear my son, I am so sorry. He's in a mood today. But my mother-in-law is watching him right now, so that we're able to do this. But he's being very, very social. Anyway, let's put just some cleaning solution, and then I'll just pat your face dry after we do that. Okay. Close your eyes if you can. Ooh, so misty cool. Yeah, no, I've kind of been loving the pinks. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you should totally consider. Don't say I never told you. And then watch the next time you go in, you're gonna be like, can I get some bangs? Okay, just gonna try. Pat dry. Do you feel dry? Looks dry. Skin looks good. Okay. So let me see. So let's start off with just some grape water. You're the one who put me on this. Although I'm convinced you're literally paying for water, but that's fine. We have it, so we'll use it. Close your eyes. There you go. Okay. Let's put this back on. How's your skin feeling? Good. Just kind of let that soak in a little bit. So I've got a bunch of random stuff we can try for your skincare today. Oh, yeah, of course, completely safe. Yeah. Don't even worry about that. We have, let's see, we have serum. Let's see. I say let's just try all of it. You let me know what you like. Did something leak in here? Because I feel like something did. I don't know if these are all performing the same function, but we're gonna go for it anyways, because why not? Facial. Oh, hydrating mask. I feel like that would be a good one to kind of end it with. And then what are these? Face oil. Something else. Okay, how about we just swing it? Oh, this is a night serum too. Okay, how about we do these three? Listen, when you come to me, you get spoiled. As far as like a true good skincare routine, you don't come to me for that. You come for getting spoiled and to just enjoy. Well, you know, let's start with this, the hyaluronic acid serum. What do you think? I think that could be a good one to start with. Just don't want to put too much in there, but I do kind of want to mix it around. Why? I don't know. It just seems right. Okay. 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 Just gonna take that towel that I used for your face. Just make sure that all that oily stuff off. I'm so professional. Okay, let me rub that in for you. Yeah, you'll be noticing that you'll be sitting in different rooms. I think I'm gonna make our guest room, because I moved to a new home. I think I'm gonna make this room my ASMR content room. So you'll find yourself in here probably a lot. But I can get like a really cool backlight so you feel more relaxed. We can do different colors. That's on its way though, it hasn't arrived yet. Your skin is looking so glowy. There you go. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. So I'm thinking we do the vitamin C, then this power peptide serum, and then we end it with the glycolic night serum. Oh yeah, and then I have like masks in case you want to choose one to do later today. We could always do that as well. Was this one the leaker? It's looking sus. It's looking sus. Gotta love sister time, right? Okay. Oh, it for sure was this one. Anyway, I'm just gonna pump this on your skin. Don't ask how old this is. She's, you know, I'm pretty sure that was the initial color of this. Love it. Okay. So she's good. Let me blend her. I have been doing much better mentally at the start of this new year as opposed to last year when just so many things were happening at the same exact time. I mean, you know, the day I picked my son up from a NICU stay, which I was never anticipating to be my first experience, trauma in of itself, and then the same day I go to pick him up is the same day I have to close and move into my home. So while I'm going to the hospital to get Idris from the NICU, Bassem is going with the U-Haul to the new house, had no rugs, furniture, crazy. And now we're actually just starting to furnish the home. So there's time for everything, I suppose. Just takes time. And that's what I learned. All right, now we're gonna go in with this. Yeah, this one seems cooler. Ooh. Okay. It's for strengthen and resurfacing. You know, I knew that. Alright. But enough about me and my mental health crises of 2024. How has your mental health been? Please let me know below in the comments. I hope your 2025 is starting off strong, that your family is very happy, healthy, that sort of thing. You guys already know. Okay, it's looking good. I think I put a little bit too much oil here. So, sorry, looks good. Alright, who knew skincare could be so challenging? So now we have glycolic night serum. Okay. Sorry, I just noticed I'm basically just pumping your face. As far as sanitation, who knows, but you may say so, who cares? Yep, your skin's looking good. I'm not seeing any bad reactions thus far, so that's a plus. Okay, let's give all that some time to dry. Let's see, I want to do more for you here. Do I have any like lip? Let's see what else I have in my little kit. You feel like it's sufficient? I don't. Give me 1 second, please. You know what? How about we end it with some final drops of this cute little luxury facial oil? Don't be concerned. We've made it this far with no issues. Your skin, trust me, is glowing. No, like there's no redness, nothing like that. I would tell you. I wouldn't like keep doing this to you. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little container though? That was so cute. Just like this. Okay, sorry. Getting distracted. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Just blend that in. Okay, beautiful. Awesome. Looks so good. Okay. You're done with me. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fair. Let's do one more top with the grape water though. It just seems right. You know, don't you just love a misty feel? I do. Yeah. I wonder how much we paid for this, honestly. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. One more for good luck. Okay. So, good to go there. Oh, let me get the headband off of you. Let me see. Sorry, it got stuck in your curly hair. Yep. Let me brush it out for you because I did kind of mess it up. I know, I'm being careful. I know you work on that curly hair routine quite a bit, so just gotta get this back. Hey, next time I can do your hair if you want. Don't look too excited. Trust me, it'll be fine. Yeah, I tangled it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to fix it. Okay, I think you're good. I swear I didn't mean to. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Let's put a little bit perfume on ya, because why not smell good? Okay. There you go. Amber saffron. Okay. And then finally, when we're in bed, if you want, we could do sister face masks. I have a few options. Let me grab like 4 we can choose from, because then there's just too many. Whichever one you pick your favorite, and I'll pick from the remaining 3. There's the After Sun Cooling Face Mask Sheet, the Bubble Tea Face Mask. There's the Smooth and Radiant Vitamin C Printed Face Sheet Mask. And there's the Hologram Face Sheet Mask, Marine Collagen and Vitamin C. So, which of these were you thinking? The bubble tea? Of course you picked the one. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so we will do the bubble tea face mask for you when we're in bed and watching a movie together or something. And then I will choose, I guess this one's kind of interesting, the hologram face sheet mask. So this is the one I'll go for, no problem. Okay, no problem. So I will keep our face mask by the bedstand. Otherwise, I will see you in a couple hours. I hope you enjoyed your skincare routine today. It's absolutely my pleasure. And then you just let me know when you want me to do your hair. For sure. All right, I will see you a little bit later tonight.